Pretty simple project I'm working on today, but for the sake of my daughter, I have to get it done. My in-laws gave us this pumpkin. It's super old, and in the back, the bulb was kind of messed up and the wiring was kind of messed up, so it started sparking when we plugged it in. And so I decided, instead of replacing it with another AC system and putting a bulb and everything in there, lamp holder and everything in there, I'm just gonna go ahead and replace it with a solar light. I bought this solar light from Harbor Freight. It's about the cheapest one you can get. And what I plan on doing is modifying this portion here and drilling a hole in the back of the pumpkin here and making it so I can clamp this portion here on the inside of the pumpkin. And then I'm gonna put some screws in the back to hold it against the back, and then I'll throw a little bit of silicone around it to seal it up. And the whole point is I won't have to be dragging out wires or messing with AC systems. When it gets dark outside, the light will kick on by itself and I won't have to worry about a timer or anything. I'm gonna go ahead and get this sealed up. And this is pretty serious silicone that I'm gonna put on here. I don't care so much about the waterproofing. It's just a matter of this thing staying in place. The lamp itself is pretty waterproof. One thing about these solar panel lights, what you need to do is charge them for one day. So what I did is I took this light out and staked it out in the yard. This is a little while back. It was a sunny day. Left it out there all day to charge it up and get ready to power the light. Okay, I'll let that dry up. Then I'll go set it in place. So I have my decorations set up here. And it shouldn't be too long before this thing lights up. You can see from where I have this positioned, you can't really notice the solar cell. And also, this solar cell is going to catch a lot of the sunlight throughout the day. So I think I'm going to be just fine with this setup. She seems to like it. Thanks for watching.